Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GISCafe. I'm here with Frank Maes, Service Delivery Manager at Geosparc. Hello, Frank.
Hi everybody.
Frank, how's the show been going for you?
Well, it's been very interesting. I've met interesting people. I saw some new developments. Just saw a very cool thing downstairs, actually. A small plane that they shoot in the air, and Gatewing is the company. Very interesting stuff. Some other things, some known companies with new features. In general, it's interesting. Absolutely.
Okay, and what brings you to the show?
Well, on one hand, general things like meet concurrent projects, other companies, but then more specifically, meeting with some potential customers or some customers that we have, and meeting with partners that we have here in Germany.
Yeah, and can you tell us about some of the partners?
Well, one of the partners that we currently are looking to develop a web component for their existing proprietary system. So I can't share the name at this moment, but so they have a proprietary solution and they want to extend that, and they're looking towards our technology to have a cooperation there.
Okay, and tell us about what Geosparc's technology is.
Yeah. So Geosparc actually is the company that's owning the web application framework GeoMaes. So GeoMaes is our product as such, is the technology. The technology that's used to enable things like spatial data infrastructure. And what Geosparc does, it provides services, commercial licenses, as well as support contracts with service level agreements around that technology.
Okay, and can you give me some examples of the type of customers who use this technology?
Yeah, so the customers are both in the private sector as well as in the public sector. Public sector are governments, like we have one use case where there is the Agency for Agriculture and Fisheries. They have like kind of tax on web system, where the farmers remotely come to a text and web application where they where they mark which fields they are managing, which crops they're growing there, and so on, and based on that the subsidy is managed. That's one example. Other example could be more in the private sphere, is an application that we're currently developing with a party in the real estate business. It's more like a marketplace with a strong geospatial component that they want to expose over the web, and that's where GeoMaes plays or comes into picture.
Okay, can you tell us about Geosparc itself? How old is the company? Where is it based in? How many people are there?
So Geosparc is a relatively young company. So we, let's say, with the real kickoff in 2009, we're Belgian-based. So you can say we're a startup. We have 6 full-time equivalents in the company, of which 3 engineers who, on a constant basis, actually work on GeoMaes, the open source technology. And next to that, we work with a network of independent freelancers or people in our network for specific projects or for specific requirements as such.
Okay, and how can people find out more about Geosparc?
Well, first of all, you can visit the website. That's www.geosparc.com, or you can visit the GeoMaes website, which is www.geomaes.org.
And what's the difference?
Well, Geosparc is the professional company, is the commercial company that supports and that's built around the open source technology. But GeoMaes itself is a fully open source project that has a life and a reason of existence on its own. So if you want to, let's say, more approach it from a open source developer technical angle, you might want to visit www.geomaes.org. If you want to learn more about the products and services that Geosparc can provide, then you come to the Geosparc site.
Is there anything else that you wanted to add?
Well, I think that if you consider building a GS web application, that GeoMaya's might be a new kid on the block, but it's definitely one of the best architectures, one of the best architectures, and very strong capabilities for security, for integration with existing applications, existing enterprise business applications, and has also a lot of potential in terms of scalability and deploying in the cloud. So I think it's definitely a new kid on the block, but definitely a very cool kid on the block, and something you should consider when you build advanced web JS applications.
Thank you very much, Frank. Have a great show.